Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Now that Adobe no longer sells CS6 applications, you can get Photoshop only through a paid Creative Cloud membership. The only non-subscription version of Photoshop currently for sale is Photoshop Elements, or you can use a non-Adobe Photoshop alternative.
Take our lead.
Pixlr is a free alternative to Photoshop that boasts more than 600 effects, overlays and borders. If you're used to using Photoshop, then you'll find Pixlr's user interface easy to pick up quickly, as it's very similar. This free app is available in both iOS and Android varieties, or you can use it as a web app.
Take our lead.
They all are by subscription only. As an individual, subscribing to one single app, like Photoshop, would cost $20.99 per month, or $240 per year. However, you can also subscribe to the photography package, which includes Photoshop, Lightroom, Lightroom Classic and 20 GB of cloud storage, for $9.99 per month, $119.88 per year.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
There are many reasons why. Adobe's consumers are mainly businesses and they can afford a larger cost than individual people. The price is chosen in order to make Adobe's products professional more than personal. The bigger your business is, the most expensive it gets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.